Hey, this is Dr. Story. I've been a chiropractor for over 23 years. I'm going to give you realistic advice based on my experience. Now, a lot of times on my YouTube channel, people are always asking, do you have any exercises for this? Do you have any exercises for that? I'm going to show you exactly how to find these exercises. So I have my page up. I'm going to show you what to do here. And this is my page. These are all the videos. And right here, if you go to playlists, I'm going to hit playlists right there. What we've done is we've divided the videos into different sections. So if you're interested in my cycling videos, right now I have 63 videos. If you have any want to look at dietary advice, there's 38 videos there. There's 53 videos on blood pressure. If you want to see examples of me doing treatment on people, I have 27 videos there. Extremities, meaning arms, legs, that type of thing, 43. This is the one that I show all my patients and let them know. It says core exercise. We have 19 videos on that. And this is where I show you exactly how to deal with back pain yourself. If you want to learn the core exercise, if you want to learn how to get your back strong, look at those things. I've got it all set up for there. Also, in addition to that, there's another section I'm going to show you. There's a little microphone there, and it's right there. You could see that. Now, if you hit that and you have a specific question, let's say you want to look at knees. For example, I'm going to type in knees and I'm going to hit enter, and now it comes up with all the different videos that I have for knees. This one's the best knee exercise for arthritis, instant results, how to fix clicking knees, knees after 40 years old, no knee pain method for squats, Graston treatment on the knee. So that's how you go through the YouTube channel to find out exactly what you want. So if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like my videos, give me a thumbs down. Let me know whether you love or hate me. And also share this on social media. Put it on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, that type of thing. Any questions, leave them in the comment section below.